Okay folks, welcome back. Thank you all for watching. And what I've got to do tonight is get this bare plywood treated with the resin. You saw me do that on the forward section. Well, now I've moved on to the back half, and I've got to do the same here. I've got to get it ready for the aft section, the aft panel. And I've just got to get all of that wet down with resin, get it waterproofed. And you know, once again, I'm really liking the way this is coming out right here. This worked out very well. Got this forward piece shaped to the bow. Turned out very nice. And you know, just got to do all my finish sanding and everything. I pointed that out earlier. But I'm going to go ahead now and get my resin mixed up and get that rolled out. I don't know if I'm going to get all that tonight. There's a lot of little intricate detail work here that has to be done. I just don't know. It's hot, man. It has been like over 100 degrees in this garage today, and it's still close to 100 right now. It's 9 o'clock at night. So I'm going to get as much of this done as I can. If I don't finish it tonight, I'll just get out here in the morning and finish it up before it gets hot and before I have to go to work. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get my resin mixed up. I'm going to get the camera set up too, and just kind of take you through that process, show you how I do it, and of course I will fast forward through all that, so I won't make you watch me coat this thing with fiberglass resin for an hour. So like I said, I'll just speed up through that. But I'll be right back as soon as I get the resin mixed up. Okay folks, I know I've talked about this before, but I have 6 tablespoons of resin in this cup, and I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of the hardener in there, and that's 2-to-1 ratio. I know you've heard me talk about that, but I just thought I'd show that to you. And so here in just a moment I'll have that mixed up. I'm going to go ahead and put it in this pan, and I'm going to use a 6-inch roller, just hopefully just to help me get this done a little bit faster, cover a little bit more area. I've been using the little 2-inch rollers. They work just fine, but I've just got a lot of area to cover right there, both sides of the ribs and both sides of the stringer, and this right side, right side of the keel beam right there, and then of course back there at the stern, the inside of these panels, there's just a lot of area to cover. So hopefully this will just make the job go a little bit faster. And plus I need to see how well these foam rollers are going to hold up, and I need to know now. I need to know if these foam rollers are going to hold up to the resin here, because not all foam rollers are made the same. And the reason I say that is you have to make sure they're solvent proof. And some of these foam rollers, they'll just swell up and fall apart in just a matter of seconds. So I need to know now if these are up to the task, because this is what I plan to use when I get ready to apply the fiberglass cloth to the outside of this hole. I have to wet this whole outside hull down prior to laying out the fiberglass cloth, and I'd like to just be able to use something like this to make that job go quickly. And like I said, I need to know if they're up to the task. So once again, I need to get busy. I'm gonna get this camera set up, and I will see you here shortly. Okay, so it's all ready to go. Have the resin mixed, and like I said, I'll speed this up. Okay, time to get busy. That was a cue to myself to slow the camera down when I get ready to do the editing on this video. And so I've got to stop the camera for right now and mix up some more resin. It went through those 6 tablespoons. Man, I mean, it's just soaking it up. So I'm gonna stop the camera, and I will be back momentarily. Okay folks, I'm back. got the second batch of resin mixed up. I did have to go ahead and break out the 2-inch roller. I do have some places back there in the back where I'm not going to be able to get this 6-inch roller in, so I'll just have to use that little smaller roller to get into those places. Okay, so once again, we'll speed this up. Here goes. Okay, and so once again, gave myself the stop signal, and I'm going to readjust the camera too. I've got to mix up just a little bit more resin. Won't have to mix as much this time. I've just got that little corner right over there to finish up, and so I'll get that done, and then I'm going to call it a night because, man, it is hot out here. All right, see you in a moment. All right, I'm back. I'm going to get this finished up now. Okay, folks, that is it. I am done for the night. Okay, and man, like I said, it is hot out here. I mean, it's probably still close to 100 degrees, but that will help this stuff cure a little bit faster. So with all that, I'll come out and check on it in the morning. If I missed any areas, I'll just touch it up with a brush at that time, and you know, there's really nothing more I can do tonight. Just have to let that stuff dry, and as always, thank you for watching, and I will be back in the morning. And yes, I did get the insides of the side panels this time. I just had to stop and take one more look at it before I went in the house. Tell you what, that 6-inch roller, man, that was a lifesaver. Why in the world didn't I think of that sooner? All right, folks, good night.